This won't even take 5 minutes of your time.
And no, this is not a selling pitch. This is a unique concept you wouldn't have possibly heard before. Let's move forward and meet Amit. Amit is an owner of a car garage and is the sole breadwinner in his family. Just like everyone else, Amit has his own dreams. His daughter's education, a new home, and planning for the future. By the end of the month, he saves 4,000 rupees, and after paying the bills and taking care of the miscellaneous expenses, Amit saves about 50,000 rupees a year. Amit chooses to keep the savings in the bank. 50,000 rupees for 9 years becomes 4,50,000 rupees. And he continues to be invested for 20 years. Let's assume Amit decides to withdraw the savings after 20 years. He will receive 4,50,000 rupees plus interest from the bank. Let's see a similar scenario where Amit chooses to put the savings in an insurance account instead of the bank. He will receive the 4,50,000 rupees plus interest just like in the case of the bank account. Do you see any difference in these accounts so far? Not really. Now let's take this story forward. Amit, who is sole breadwinner, unfortunately meets an untimely death. What will Amit's family receive from the bank? Amit's family will only get the money deposited so far plus interest from the bank. But in case of insurance account, his family will get 5 lakh rupees guaranteed plus interest on the amount paid till event of death. Even if the death happens in the very first year of the account, will any bank guarantee returns for the tenure of 20 years? No. But an insurance account, he will get 100% guarantee for 20 years. In bank, the interest amount is taxable, while in insurance account, any proceed would be completely tax-free. Now you can see, when the inputs are same, but output is substantially higher, then according to you, where will Amit deposit his money? Bank or insurance account? Obviously, insurance account. So, as promised, isn't the concept unique? If yes, and if you genuinely like it, then we would strongly propose one such account for every member in your family. Now you know how easy it is to explain these benefits to Amit or someone else. All you have to do is learn the simple concept after practicing it. That's it. With your regular job and without disturbing your profession, you can easily explain this concept to 2 or 3 people daily. 2 or 3 people daily, and there are 30 days in a month. So let's assume in a month you manage to explain this concept to only 20 people. And from these 20 people, 4 of them have understood. And after trusting your credibility, they have deposited 50,000 rupees in the insurance account. Then it comes to a total of 2 lakh rupees. For the 2 lakh rupees, the insurance company will give you a payout which ranges from 18% to 35%. Let's take an example of 25%. That is 50,000 rupees, which means 12,500 rupees per account. Isn't this concept very rewarding and noble? Very noble to promote in the society as well. And hence, we strongly propose you to experience this and join many of your friends who are benefiting from this. Now let's understand the last leg of this concept. With you being in the locality for so many years, how many people would you know who would love to have an extra income through a noble cause without disturbing their current working? Many. Now let's assume only 5 people join you in this profession and each of them earns not even 50,000 but just 40,000. That means these 5 people earn total of 2 lakh rupees. What if we tell you that since you got them into this profession and guided them, you could earn approximately 1 lakh rupees? Isn't it exciting? And hence, we wish you to join in this noble, highly rewarding profession.